ready.
Listen, I think we can all agree that it is just plain rude to have a website that takes that long to load. And most importantly, if you're a small business owner, your website is a lifeline to your business, especially if you are trying to attract new customers and clients so that you can increase your sales. And so the last thing you want to do is to miss out on any of those sales simply because your website is too slow. But how do you even go about testing your website speed? Do you hire somebody to do that? Do you ask a friend to go online and time how long it takes for your website to load? Or is it something that you can do yourself? Well, if you don't know the answer to that, stick around because in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 free online tools that you can use to test your website speed, because your sales depends on how quickly somebody can find your small business online, whether they're using their cell phone or a desktop or laptop. Option number 1, Google's very own Page Speed Insights. You can access this free tool 2 different ways. First, you can go to the developers resources within Google by going to developers.google.com/speed. And then you would scroll down and click Analyze Your Page Speed Insight. Once you're there, you simply type in your website, hit enter, and it will generate and give you the information you're looking for. Another way that you could get to this very same resource is by going to pagespeed.web.dev. Now notice it's going to give you a variety of different metrics. Your first contentful paint, the time to interaction, speed index, total blocking time, largest contentful paint, and cumulative layout shift. I know these all sound like really fancy terms, but they are practical and they are valuable pieces of information that tell you what is going on with your website or how your website is performing. So if you're interested in finding out more about each one of those data points and what they actually mean in layman's terms, like what it tells you about your website, go ahead and click that link in the description below, because we've created a free 1-page resource for you that you can download and print and have beside you while you're running this website speed test, so that way you know exactly what metrics you're looking at. Option number 2 is a plugin that you can install to WordPress called Query Monitor. In order to install Query Monitor, you're first going to log into your WordPress website. You're going to come over here to where it says Plugins and select Add New. Over here to the right, you're going to see a Search Plugins option, and right here you're going to type in Query Monitor and hit Enter. It is going to be this first option right here that appears. Select Install Now. It's going to tell you it's installing. Once it's installed, it's going to turn that into a blue Activate button. Select Activate, and then once it's activated onto your website, it's then going to redirect you to the page where it shows you all of the plugins that you have. Now, what's interesting here is notice at the top it's changed. It's added this right here at the top of the toolbar. So that's telling us how quickly this website's loading. If we want to see how quickly our website is loading, so like if you want to check yours, come over here and select Visit Site. That plugin is going to stay at the top of the toolbar. So our website right here is loading in 2.46 seconds. Now we want to get that to under 1 second. That is our goal. Option number 3, .com-tools.com website. Now this is the website right here. This is free. Once again, you can sign up if you want to use their tool, but you definitely do not have to. So right here where it says starting URL, go ahead and type in your web address right there. And then from locations, this is where it's actually running your website, or where it's pinging from. So we're just going to leave it the way it is. And select Run Test. It's analyzing the website. This may take a couple minutes. Come over here, click this box right there, don't show this message again, and select Cancel. So notice on the map, it's showing you if it's pinging your site from different locations in the United States, how long it's taking. And then right here, it gives you an indicator of whether it's slow, average, or fast. Right here, it puts it in a graph for you as well. Seattle, 2.43 seconds for a full page load. Montreal, 3.71, and Miami, 3.66. Knowing your website speed is the first step in understanding where your business's website falls into that user experience. So of course, Google is going to want to prioritize those websites that are providing the best user experience. They are going to actually list those at the top of the Google search results pages. And so because SEO, search engine optimization, is a big umbrella, one of the things you need to be doing is staying up to date with Google's updates. And so if you want to find out about Google's latest update, their helpful content update that was released in 2022, keep watching this next video right here, where I give you all of the details, including what Google has instructed us or told us to do, what they've told us not to do, and also how it's going to impact our website and where it falls in their Google search results.